a lot, Edward. I know it's a challenge for you guys, but we're gonna make it work. I'd like to thank Paris. Pinnacle has always been a supporter for this big event, and again, they're participating. Sete Bay, you guys are a part of our backbone, and always ready to contribute with this event, and also making sure that our ties with the international world coming in is also at a high level. So thanks again. Thanks all the other sponsors, Pay Cafe. They do all our artwork and design work and everything. Peter, thank you so much. You are a big help to what we do with presenting nice stuff to the public. All this stuff they do a great job. If you go on our website, CuraçaoBaseballWeek.com, or our Instagram or Facebook, you will see a lot of the great work they do. That's on there. So thank you again. We have some new sponsors coming in. You guys are here. MCIS, Maduro and Kuriel's Insurance Services. I can't even say that. But thank you for participating. G1, massive thank you. Who am I missing? Raise your hand if I'm missing you. Big D is here with 88. That's all we listen in our car. I'm gonna get a Volkswagen, so I'll just be like you.
It's gonna happen. Don't worry about it.
My friend Brent and Alina, all the way from LA. This big supporter of baseball here in Curaçao. They actually sponsor a team in Teracora with a lot of equipment all year long, and they sponsor Baseball Week. They're here to present. We were supposed to have our fundraisers the past weekend, and they booked since, I don't know, March or something. And then the event was moved to January, and he says, okay, change my reservation. So I called Edward, they changed the reservation, and then Alina jumped in. Where's Alina? She's not here. So
Swimming.
The girl jumped in. He says, hey, but you promised me a trip to Curaçao this year. So here they are. And they booked again for January. So thanks for participating. Thanks for sponsoring all the way from Los Angeles. I don't have much more to say. I'm going to give the mic back to Scarlett.
No, you can stay with the mic. I have my girl. Okay, siya nang ang switch back na papiamento. Principalmente para nos media ng panos por aya aqui, maneiro sa pormira riba nos pantalla, nos comisa ko clinic ng Riva Jamars. Wow, nakita liye. Okay. Eta Riva Jamars, nos ting klinika pa nos mucha ng nos pre-infantil lang, tambe nos infantil lang, kaman sa akin nos papi di 6 pa 8 aya. Jara son 5 de januari, tambe ta Kids Clinic, anto isa kita pa minor y little, mucha ng 9 pa 12 aya. Jawex 6 de januari, nos ta sigi kunos junior, kunos senior league lang kuta, 3 pa 16 aya. Aha, no screen tariba un parque hopi interesante. Esa kita baita nos uniform pe aya aki. Anto lami speak, so mi digusia, slogan unti mas mio. Aha, bisi ako no, grade pa ako, bisi.
Bom, nós vai introduzir algo novo, né? Ter evento aqui. Esse para sa akin is also brilliant idea. Pabi ko slogan pa evento. Anto aqui door ko nosta sina renombra internacionalmente nosta per capita number 1 del mundo pa produziendo Major League Baseball players. Kuno 6 sumadona pa 6 million so. Anto nos pisa ore kun nos promeaya usando un slogan ng tabayta. It's in our DNA.
It's our passion.
It's our passion.
It's what we live for.
And it's what we live for. Disabled Santamira, a feather print, riba a design the artwork. Who, by the way, I want to see from Brad Russell. Nice work.
Great. Ja, was a information heen. Hans je papje tambe di